So moving on with the first scenario, which is of ALL. ALL stands for acute lymphoblastic leukemia. अब इसका सिनेरियो किस तरह से आता है? It is here right in front of you. An 11-year-old girl with Down syndrome presents with few weeks of low-grade fever, fatigue, weight loss, left leg and knee pain. On examination, there are petechiae on her abdomen. There is hepatosplenomegaly. Blood workup shows elevated WBCs, low neutrophil count, and anemia. Bone marrow examination reveals blast cells. Blood cultures are drawn and came out positive for Pseudomonas. तो अब इसके सिनेरियो पॉइंट्स पे मूव करते हैं which can help you diagnose all the scenarios related to acute lymphoblastic leukemia within seconds. मैं सिर्फ वही सिनेरियो पॉइंट्स मेंशन करूंगा जिसकी वजह से आप स्प्लिट सेकंड में डायग्नोज कर सकेंगे, because there are some features which are common amongst all these leukemias such as fatigue, hepatosplenomegaly, raised WBC count. So specific features for each of these leukemic disorders I'm going to mention after each scenario. So moving on with the scenario points for ALL. Now the scenario point number 1 is the age. ALL जब भी आपको सिनेरियो में आएगा, the age is going to be somewhat in the early, you can say early adolescence or early teenage. ठीक है, इसमें आप एज देख रहे हैं कि 11 years है, तो इसमें एज कम होगी because ALL occurs mostly in children. Now it has a strong association with Down syndrome. Whenever you have a leukemic disorder which is associated with Down syndrome and the age is somewhat less than 15 years old, so then you have a strong diagnosis of ALL. Then you are going to have in this scenario a mention of fatigue and bone pain. जो bone pain है ना, ये बहुत specific है ALL disorders के लिए. So whenever you find this, that a child with Down syndrome has bone pain, so you can also hint towards ALL. After that, there can occur thrombocytopenia in ALL, and blast cells on bone marrow biopsy are very very specific finding, because जब भी इन तरह के children में ALL में bone marrow biopsy की जाती है, so that shows numerous blast cells. And then the children can present with a mediastinal mass, and then to some extent testicular proliferation of blast cells can also occur, जिसकी वजह से testicular enlargement show हो सकती है. After that CSF invasion हो सकती है, क्योंकि CNS leukemia भी हो सकता है. जब ब्लास्ट सेल्स CNS को प्रोलिफरेट करेंगे, उसमें इन्वेट करेंगे, तो CSF में भी ब्लास्ट सेल्स शो हो सकते हैं. और इसका डायग्नोस्टिक क्राइटेरिया ये है कि जो WBC काउंट होगा दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी ग्रेटर देन 5 per ml ऑफ CSF. और वन मोर थिंग जो कि एक जनरली याद रखनी चाहिए ALL में, कि एक्यूट लिम्फोब्लास्टिक ल्यूकीमिया कैन आइदर बी ऑफ द B टाइप और द T टाइप. ठीक है, बीटा सेल्स और द T हेल्पर सेल्स. लेकिन जो मोस्ट कॉमन प्रेजेंटेशन होती है 80% ऑफ द टाइम्स, दैट इज़ विद द B टाइप ALL. So moving on with the next scenario, that is going to be of acute myelogenous leukemia. जी, तो moving on with the second scenario, that is of the AML. पहला सिनेरियो हमने डिस्कस किया ALL का. Now we'll discuss the scenario and the scenario points for the diagnosis of AML, which is the acute myelogenous leukemia. So starting off, a 60-year-old man presents with fever, long-standing fatigue, and shortness of breath on exertion. He also complains of easy bruising and occasional bleeding from gums. On physical examination, he has cervical lymphadenopathy and has marked hepatosplenomegaly. Bone marrow biopsy reveals myeloblast with R rods, which are MPO positive. Chromosomal analysis reveals T15 to 17 translocation. What is your diagnosis and what are the scenario points for diagnosing AML scenario within seconds? तो इस पे हम अगर देखें, the scenario points which we have for the AML are these. First of all, जो age होगी ALL में हमारे पास जो age थी that was predominantly in children, लेकिन इसमें जो age होगी हमारे पास that is going to be above 60 years. ठीक है. And then the most important point which can help you to एक होता है ना, एक डायग्नोजिंग पॉइंट होता है स्पेसिफिक हर सिनेरियो का. तो इसमें जो डायग्नोजिंग पॉइंट आपको मिलेगा एंड दैट कैन हेल्प यू टू डायग्नोज दिस सिनेरियो विद इन स्प्लिट सेकेंड इज़ द वर्ड ब्लीडिंग गम. तो ब्लीडिंग गम जो है दैट इज़ अ रियली स्पेसिफिक स्टेटमेंट और अ वर्ड विच कैन हेल्प यू टू डायग्नोज AML सिनेरियो. अब होता ये है कि जो AML होता है एक्यूट माइलोजेनस ल्यूकीमिया, उसकी 8 डिफरेंट टाइप्स होती हैं. वो है, मैंने लिख भी दिया है कि 8 डिफरेंट टाइप्स होती हैं. लेकिन जो मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप और जो सिनेरियोज में आती है एंड विच मोस्टली कम्स इन एग्जाम्स एवरीवेयर इज़ द M3 टाइप. M3 टाइप को का दूसरा नाम जो है दैट इज़ एक्यूट प्रोमाइलोसिटिक ल्यूकीमिया. वो है एट द बॉटम ऑफ द पेज M3 ऑल्सो नोन एज एक्यूट प्रोमाइलोसिटिक ल्यूकीमिया. और M3 की जो मोस्ट कॉमन प्रेजेंटेशन आपको सिनेरियोज में मिलेगी दैट इज़ द ब्लीडिंग गम्स और साथ में अगर एज आपको 60 प्लस दी हो एंड साथ अगर आपको डिफरेंट फीचर्स सच एज द सर्वाइकल लिम्फेडेनोपैथी, हेपेटोस्प्लेनोमेगाली एंड डिफरेंट common features of the leukemias, if they are given, then that can help you to diagnose AML within seconds. अच्छा, मूविंग ऑन विद द पैथोफिजियोलॉजी. जो M3 मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप है हम उसी को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. जो मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप है उसमें जो ट्रांसलोकेशन डिफेक्ट होता है क्रोमोसोमल एनालिसिस पे दैट इज़ 15 to 17 ट्रांसलोकेशन डिफेक्ट. और इसकी ट्रीटमेंट में हम देते हैं ECRA, ATRA, और ATRA stands for all trans retinoic acid, which is given for the treatment of M3 type of AML. Now the two immunohistochemical stains which also come positive for AML are the MPO myeloperoxidase, which is positive in AML, and the R-RODS, which are also specific feature of AML. जो ALL होता है that is positive for TDT, whereas AML is positive for MPO. Now moving on with the next scenario. Moving on with the third scenario of CML. CML stands for chronic myelogenous leukemia. Now moving on with the scenario, a 62 years old man presents to his primary care provider for an urgent care visit. He reports feeling very fatigued recently. He denies any change in the bowel habits or any blood in stool. On physical examination, he has mild splenomegaly. Blood tests come back with increased leukocytosis with neutrophilic infiltration and increased basophils. Peripheral blood smear shows myeloid cells. Chromosomal analysis reveals T922 translocation. Or brackets में over here you can see the BCR-ABL gene defect. Moving on with the scenario points. The first scenario point which can help you to diagnose scenario of CML is the age. That is going to be more than 60 years. And then a very important feature for the CML scenarios is that on the peripheral film there is going to be increased, not on the peripheral film, it's going to be on the bone marrow biopsy. In the bone marrow biopsy you're going to see increased promyelocytes plus metamyelocytes, which are the immature cells. ठीक है. And apart from that you're going to see basophilia in CML, and then 922 translocation is very specific for CML, and this translocation leads to the formation of Philadelphia chromosome, and 922 translocation corresponds to the BCR-ABL specific gene defect. So whenever you have a combination of an older guy who is having increased promyelocytes or metamyelocytes, which are the immature cells on the bone marrow biopsy, उसके अलावा अगर आपके पास बेसोफिलिया आता है and then you are also given with the BCR-ABL gene defect or the 922 translocation or the Philadelphia chromosome, so they all correspond to the scenario of CML. Moving on with the last scenario of CLL, which is the chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Now the scenario is as follows. A 70-year-old Caucasian male sees his primary care physician for his annual checkup. He has no complaints and his physical examination is normal. His only medical problem is hypertension managed with medication and hyperlipidemia controlled with diet. A few days later, his physician is concerned. Nothing noting that his WBC count is 30,000 per microliter with 90% lymphocytes. Peripheral blood smear shows smudge cells. He calls the patient in for further testing. So what are the scenario points for CLL? तो CLL के बारे में आपको एक बात याद रखनी है कि CLL के सिनेरियो जो होगा दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ वेग सिनेरियो. इसमें कोई एज सच आपको स्पेसिफिक बात 2 से 4 चीज़ें मिलेंगी, बट दे कैन ऑल्सो बी एब्सेंट सम टाइम. ठीक है, तो इसलिए आपको लॉजिक से काम लेना पड़ेगा CLL के सिनेरियोज़ में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द एज. हर सिनेरियो में मैंने एज इसलिए लिखा है क्योंकि the ALL, as we discussed in the first scenario, that occurs mostly in children, whereas the CML and the AML occurs in people above 60 years of age, and CLL specifically, this scenario for CLL, this happens in older men, such as greater than 70, greater than 80. So also it can happen above 60 years, but mostly above 70 and in older men. So age का इसमें आपने ध्यान रखना है कि age is a specific feature for CLL as well. And moving on with the next very important and characteristic feature for CLL is the smudge cells. अब smudge cells अगर आपको वो सिनेरियो में दे देता है तो smudge cells are characteristic for CLL. This is the only characteristic feature that can help you to pinpoint diagnosis of CLL within seconds. उसके अलावा जो to some extent एक important point है, that are the large mature cells. जो CML था उसमें आपने देखा the सेल्स वो इमेच्योर. ठीक है, उसमें प्रोमाइलोसाइट्स एंड मेटामाइलोसाइट्स थे. लेकिन जो CLL है अगर वो बहुत देर तक चलता रहे, अगर वो अपना ड्यू कोर्स ले, तो उसका नेचुरल कोर्स ये होता है कि एट सम पॉइंट CLL चेंजेस और माइट चेंज इनटू हॉजकिंस लिम्फोमा. ठीक है, तो जो CLL की ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होती है हॉजकिंस लिम्फोमा में, उस फिनोमिना को कहते हैं रिक्टर्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. और रिक्टर्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में जो आपको सेल्स देखने को मिलेंगे उस सिनेरियो में द पर्सन विल राइट the large mature cells are seen in the peripheral blood smear. So if you find an older man who is greater than 70 or 80 years old, he is having smudge cells, and if given the due course of time, he is going to have large mature cells in the peripheral blood smear. So that shows the Richter's transformation, or the transformation of the CLL into Hodgkin's lymphoma. So these are some of the characteristic features. I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to keep on receiving each and every study video that I upload with concepts and illustrations. Thank you so much.